If you watched any programming video, the terms lists, tuples, and sets have most definitely entered your brain. Whether or not it stays there is up to you, but you've definitely heard of it. The real question is, do you know when to use each of them? Lists use square brackets, whilst tuples use round brackets. Sets couldn't be bothered to be original, so they'll use curly brackets just like dictionaries. Here are some of their attributes. One thing you might notice is that tuples aren't mutable. Once you make a tuple, you can't later modify it. For example, you can append, pop, or remove items from a list or a set, but trying to do that with a tuple gives you an error message. Another thing you can't do with tuples, nor with sets actually, is modify items at specific indexes. In fact, tuples being so limited isn't a bug, it's a damn feature. The whole point is to have a data collection or a data type that's resistant to accidental damage. So if the data being stored isn't expected to be changed at all, tuples are the way to go. Sets are more flexible than tuples. Like with lists, you can add and remove items at will. I should also mention that whilst you cannot append to a set, you can discard an item. And you might want to use discard instead of remove, as discard reduces the chance of an error. However, whilst they are mutable, sets are unordered. Order in this context means that the items stay in a predictable position. You can use indexes to access items within a collection, though this just isn't possible with sets. And this is where Python toys with your sanity for a bit. See, behind the scenes, Python uses a hash table to make sets, which makes the outcome semi-predictable. So it may look like it has the same order if you call it multiple times, but rerun the program or add in another item or anything, and there's no guarantee it will be the same. It's not like sets randomize a collection, but it's just that they don't give a flying about its insertion order. But as unordered as sets are, you can still remove specific items and add specific items. One other attribute of sets is their distastes for duplicates. They drop all duplicates that they are given, unlike lists and tuples. So what you can do is have a collection filled with duplicates, convert them into a set to flush out them, and then convert it back into its original collection type, now clean of duplicates. Though this does remove the order that it previously had. Shown is a grid of all the data types and the attributes. Wait, hold on. What the hell is that?